What was the problem you were experiencing before coming to our office?
The problem I was experiencing before I came in was I had a lower back injury, lower right lumbar injury, and over, I would say, several months of having that injury, I had to compensate with my right leg having injury in my right leg. I had to compensate, so I developed a left heel spur as well. So I was dealing with two issues at the same time.
And how did this problem affect your daily life?
Out of work, not able to enjoy the fun things with my kids, not able to move as much as I normally would be able to move. I love to get outside and walk the neighborhood and just wasn't able to do those things.
What type of treatment did you receive here and how has it helped you?
The treatments, man, first off, the Ozone was the first treatment, and that right off the bat was the best. Just getting that, I was a little nervous at the start, but just to feel the healing of that ozone, being able to bring that pressure in and the healing process of that, moving on to Shockwave, and the Shockwave has really helped to the heel, has broke apart that heel spur and has done wonders for my back as well.
And can you share the moment you realized the treatment was working?
You know, when you go to the gym, it was working when you go to the gym and you get that good burn. That, I have to say, I haven't had that in a while with this injury. And so getting that good burn after just a little physical therapy workout was great. Getting that burn that was like, oh, wait a minute, I haven't felt that in a while. That was the best.
How has your life changed now in terms of pain, mobility, and overall symptoms?
Oh, my life has gotten better just because of the fact that I can sleep better now. I'm getting more rest at night. The not worry of like, okay, am I gonna be able to get up from my chair? I feel better where I can move. Hopefully returning to work here in the next few weeks to maybe a month, which is even better. My kids at home have even noticed a difference in Dad. Hey Dad, what are you doing out here outside? You're normally not outside, and I'm actually able to go outside and throw a football around now that it's football season.
That's great. On a scale of 1 to 10, what was your pain level before treatment?
Oh, pain level was right at a 10. It was bad. I could barely get out of bed some days. There were days where I just was like, okay, what's going on here? And it was really, really bad.
And on a scale of 1 to 10, what is your pain level now after completing treatment?
It's taken a little bit of time to get used to the pains changing back and forth. And right now I would say it's about between a 3 and a 4. A lot better than it was. I'm able to get up every day and do my normal tasks and enjoy time with my family.
Thank you so much, Damon.
Thank you.